Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be learning how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 1 divided by x plus 1 to its lowest terms. This process involves simplifying the expression by factoring and canceling out common factors. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to reduce rational expressions to their simplest form. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by factoring the numerator of the rational expression x squared minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Notice that the numerator, x squared minus 1, is a difference of squares. By recalling the difference of squares formula, which is a squared minus b squared equals open a minus b closed times open a plus b closed, we can set x squared minus 1 as x squared minus 1 squared. This factors to open x minus 1 closed times open x plus 1 closed. So, the original expression x squared minus 1 divided by x plus 1 can be rewritten as open x minus 1 closed times open x plus 1 closed divided by x plus 1. The next step will involve canceling common factors to reduce the expression. Step 2. Now, we notice that the numerator and the denominator of the expression share a common factor. We have x minus 1 times x plus 1 in the numerator and x plus 1 in the denominator. Since x plus 1 appears in both the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel it out. This leaves us with x minus 1. Therefore, the original expression x squared minus 1 divided by x plus 1 simplifies to x minus 1. This is the final simplified form of the given rational expression. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.